think one of the things that we really appreciate about Ana Pastor Proyectos is the ability to really have a turnkey project.
It's design, it's program management, it's the actual construction, pretty much everything.
I think one of the differentiating factors for us with Ana Pastor and her team was even after we moved into our house, they continued to take care of us. With any construction project, there's going to be little items that you need to continue to refine and make changes. Ana and her team were here anytime we had a question. They were just a phone call away. We really felt taken care of after our entire project was done.